Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. You will also need a replacement switch compatible with the Thermomix TM31. Start by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. This involves unscrewing the 4 screws located at the corners of the base using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, taking care not to damage any internal components. With the base removed, you will see the internal wiring and the switch assembly. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit using a soft cloth. This will help maintain the appliance's performance and longevity. Now, locate the switch. It is typically situated near the power cord entry point. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the old switch. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial when installing the new switch. If you find this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Thermomix repaired without any hassle. Once the old switch is removed, take your new switch and connect the wires in the same configuration as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure to prevent any electrical issues. If you are unsure about the wiring, please consult the Thermomix manual or seek professional assistance. After connecting the new switch, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the unit, ensuring that all internal components are correctly aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Before testing the new switch, it's advisable to clean the exterior of the Thermomix. Use a damp cloth and a mild detergent to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring it looks as good as new. Now plug in your Thermomix and test the new switch. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the switch on your Thermomix TM31. However, if you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. In summary, replacing the switch on your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. With our services, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience without the need for calls or travel, making your appliance maintenance easier than ever. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.